Hi guys, Becca T-Bon here. I am best known for the Power Bands, the 17-minute revolutionary total body workout. But I wanted to come in here and thank you guys. So I created a 7-day smoothie challenge. So just fill out the information below. And if you want to be entered into the next 8-week reset, make sure you check that box. As a health, fitness, and life coach, I have spent eons, over 37 years, studying my own gut health, studying ways to create and health up my own life and my children's life. And I'm going to tell you that the smoothie challenge that I created isn't just delicious, it is absolutely nutritious. Make sure you take pictures of it, share it on your social media, and connect with me at beccatbon.com. Now, when you go to get your ebook, make sure when you go into your email immediately after following this, that you check into your spam and your promotion folders because I found it there below. And to get other specials that we're going to be giving all month long, make sure you add Becca at beccatbon.com into your contact file. That way you're sure to see all the goodies that we are about to send you. That's it for now. Have the best day ever and enjoy your 7-day smoothie challenge.